Hi friends, today I'm doing a spring clean with me video, so let's go ahead and get started. I put on my house cleaning shoes. That's when you know it's serious. I only wear this inside the house. Before we get started on my clean with me, let's go over what the house is looking like a hot mess express. I got my once a week Starbucks. I usually get a white chocolate mocha. And we still have stickers from St. Patrick's Day, and we don't even, I mean, it's past St. Patrick's Day, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove those decals. I would like to say that I saved them, but I don't. I just throw them away. I'm using Real Simple Glass and Surface Cleaner to clean the sliding window with a microfiber cloth. Every time I wipe something down, that song, wipe it down. You know that song on TikTok? It's stuck in my head, you guys. I don't even understand. So now, ooh, look at those dishes, you guys. They are a hot mess express. I just let the house go crazy. And so I'm gonna just go ahead and load the dirty dishes in the dishwasher. And honestly, Justin, he makes fun of the way I load the dishwasher. It's just like all over the place. But I told him, you know what? As long as I'm the one doing it, I'm gonna just do it my way and you do it your way. And I use a Cascade pod and I am ready to turn that on. And now I'm using the stainless steel cleaner that I bought on Amazon recently. And I'm gonna wipe down all the stainless steel surfaces like the dishwasher because it's always looking like it has handprints. I mean, I'm a mom of two little boys. They just touch everything, you know? And then that's Barkeeper's Friend. It's really great for stainless steel or like the sink. I just leave it on there, wet it for a little while, and then I use a sponge and I scrub it really good. It just leaves the sink looking so beautiful, you guys. If you haven't tried Barkeeper's Friend, use it because it'll like not resurface, but it'll make it look like it's brand new. And if you guys have like rusty things, yeah, so that's a before and after. Barkeeper's Friend is everything. Okay, so you guys, this is my lazy way of cleaning my fridge door. Don't make fun, okay? I took some of the stuff out and I am just literally just wiping around the art pieces. When I deep clean the house and I feel like deep cleaning, okay, I will literally remove every single picture, but today's not that day, my friends. It literally is not. Oh my gosh, look at that picture of Jacob. That's so cute. He made that at school. So I'm just wiping everything down. The microwave is nice and clean because we have like that cover for all the food. This is Caldrea Pear Blossom Agave. Oh my god. It smells so good. The packaging by Caldrea, I think they changed it. But you know what? This is an old spray. I have like so many sprays. You guys know I collect cleaning supplies. And so yeah, I use that for the surfaces and I'm just cleaning my little elephants. I don't know what it is. I just have always loved elephants. Oh my gosh, I needed to do a clip just to show you my foam hand washer. I bought that on Amazon and it is so good. I am so obsessed. Anyways, I'm using that Caldrea spray all over our dining table. And now I'm using the glass spray to clean this side. And this is our outdoor space, our backyard. Justin turned it into his own outdoor gym, so I'm gonna sanitize it for him because if he doesn't, no one will. And I don't even hang out there often. So that's Microban. It kills the germs. You just leave it there for a while and then you wipe it down. And I'm using a new microfiber cloth. A few things that I don't tell you is that I have like 20 different microfiber cloths that I use throughout this video and you guys don't really see, but maybe you might if you see like the microfiber cloth colors changing. I also use Microban to clean that, and then I'm also using a wet microfiber cloth to wipe down the outdoor kitchen area too. Sometimes I like to use soft scrub with bleach because it just sanitizes everything, but today I'm just wiping it down really good. And then all the surfaces too. And yeah, the outdoor space looks good and I like the house smelling really good, so I am using my cool USB charging lighter to get that candle going. It's Moroccan Sunset by The Good Candle. I heard about it through Coffee Break with Danny. I'm over here just scrubbing or wiping down the wine fridge. This is Justin's pride and joy. I don't even drink wine like that. I literally drink a sip. I don't know about you, but I get like that flush. I get really red when I drink, so I can't drink often. That's okay, you guys. My vice is more coffee or candy. And so yeah, I just picked up the little clutter of the toys and I put it in the ottoman. I didn't even organize the ottoman. Let's be honest. Today is not the day that I can do it all. Ever since I got my tummy tuck, you guys, that's why I haven't been really doing clean with me's. It took me a while to gain my energy back. Like even with cycling, my resistance, the amount of output I take out, it's just not the same, but I'll get there eventually. So yeah, I cleaned the Tupperware section right there. I'm putting everything away, wiping everything down again with my Caldrea yummy scent. It just smells so good. You guys, ooh, that thing is dirty. That thing is so gross. So I had to clean it, and then I'm refilling my coffee, my Nespresso coffee. And this, oh my gosh, I forget to wipe this down regularly. It ends up collecting dust. Let me show you guys how gross it got. Oh my god, girl, you nasty. You just left your house looking like that. Okay, so this, I can't stand it either. So I put Barkeeper's Friend on there and I let it sit for a while, and then I'm using a sponge and a brush to try and scrape off as much as I possibly can. But it's still not looking good. I mean, I should have left it there for an hour, but I mean, I have other things to clean. So now I'm using Soft Scrub cleanser. It's an all-purpose one. I also like the bleach one. The bleach one smells so good. And I'm cleaning the trash because the trash needs some love too, because the trash gets like splashes and just yucky parts, you know. So I went ahead and got rid of the old sponge because I like to replace my sponges regularly, especially if I use it often, and it's had its days. So I went and grabbed a new one and I put it in the sink, and now I am wiping down the stainless steel trash. It is Simple Human. I'll link it below if you guys want. It is really great because it's recycle and regular trash. And now I'm getting the Nespresso pods, the ones that are used up in the recycling containers, because you can actually recycle Nespresso pods, which is really cool. And I'm cleaning the parts for the Nespresso that gets a little stained with coffee, especially the little cup inside. I put that back after wiping it down, and now I am wiping down the area here and I'm putting all of the all the stuff on top of the stove inside my oven. I just use it for storage, and then when I need to bake, I have to get everything out. I use Soft Scrub and a clean sponge to clean the stove, and then a wet microfiber cloth to wipe it down, and now it's looking perfect. And now I'm putting all that food and anything away from the counters to make it look a little more neat, and I just put it inside any area available. And I'm wiping down the kitchen table, and I'm wiping down the little island there. It gets a lot of coffee splashes. I have no idea how or why, but you can see it because it is a white little movable island, you know. Yup, you can see everything there. And now it is time to clean up this space. I'm using the Caldrea spray pretty much for all-purpose wiping down everything. It just makes your house smell so good. Do me a favor and give it a try, you guys. Literally give it a try. They are literally not sponsoring me. They do not know who I am. I am just a huge Caldrea fan, you guys. I'm cleaning my plant because I can't have real plants because my cats will eat it and vomit. So I have fake plants. And now I'm cleaning the fireplace and I'm wiping everything down. But y'all, I can't even take care of plants. Like, I will literally kill any real plant that I have. The only plant that I have is literally an aloe plant that I got from my friend Nini when I had my tummy tuck. She gave it to me, and I had it since November and it's still alive, so I'm kind of proud of myself. So here I go. I'm doing some laundry with the Lysol laundry sanitizer and some regular detergent, and now I'm gonna vacuum. This is the before vacuum. It's nice and clean. I cleaned it out before I vacuum. Y'all, it gets nasty. You're gonna see how gross it gets. So yeah, I'm vacuuming everywhere. This is my Dyson V11 Torque vacuum. I've had it for a while. I think I asked Justin for it for a Christmas or a birthday gift. I forget when he bought it for me, but I asked that. I literally asked that for a gift because it's so helpful having, you know, a wireless vacuum. It just is. So now I fixed the pillows, and now I'm gonna wipe down Justin's piano. You guys, I never really liked how the old piano looked like, but Justin told me his favorite thing in the house is this piano, and so I can't say nothing because it's a family. He got it from family members, like his grandma had it, and I think his great-great-grandma had it, so I can't even play him like that when it comes to the piano. Okay, so I'm wiping everything down. You guys saw I had my mop slippers on because it's on. It is on. I'm gonna mop soon, but first I'm gonna just go ahead and vacuum upstairs. If you see me lost upstairs for a while, it's because, you know, I vacuumed all around. But look, at the before and after of the vacuum. Oh, that's so nasty. And I literally vacuumed like 3 days ago. How does that happen? I literally do not know how. So now I'm using my O-Cedar mop and I adding some pine salt and I'm gonna mop this house down. I love pine salt. I love Fabuloso. Tell me if there's other like mop solutions that you like using in your water. But I love it so much. I used to also use bleach for a while too, like bleach in the water too. So yeah, here I go, mopping away with my mop slippers. Like I said, I'm just gonna like link everything down below because those mop slippers are life-changing. While you're mopping, you're not like slipping and sliding or anything. You just have those mop slippers to kind of help absorb any wetness, you know. I love it so much. So I'm just mopping all over the house. And I get questions on our floors. Our floors are porcelain. I know it looks wooden, but they're not. They're like porcelain and they're grayish, and they can, yeah, they can deal with a lot, because I get told a lot like, why are you using water and pine salt on wood? And I'm like, it's not wood, it's porcelain. It's totally different. But the thing with porcelain is it gets really cold, so I always have to have shoes on or house slippers and socks on, because if you do it barefoot, it's hecka cold. So now I'm scrubbing the toilet. I use Microban to like clean the surfaces, and now I'm using soft scrub with bleach for the toilet. And then over here I'm disinfecting my phone, because that's something that I do also. And then I am letting my house smell good with this Tangelo Palm Frond spray. I heard that's the spray they use for the Disney World Resort hotels, like that smell. I don't know, I mean, I went to the Disney World Resort hotel and I don't remember it smelling like that, but I know that it smells good, so I like to spray the house down with it. And now the dishes are clean that I loaded earlier in the day. This is like 4 hours later. I unloaded the dishes and now I'm preparing dinner. This is a HelloFresh dinner. I'm doing some wedges, but the wedge recipe they have for me, I don't like it. So I do my own spices, and then I do a separate dinner for the boys because they didn't want the HelloFresh sandwiches that I was making. Those little plates are really great. My boys eat all their food when they get this plate, because towards the end they get a little yummy surprise, which is the stuffed puffs, if you see. So this is just a random HelloFresh meal that I made. It was just the meal that was, you know, in our box, because we subscribe to it we only subscribe to HelloFresh when the menu looks good. And this is not sponsored by them, although I would love to work with them. Just saying, shameless plug, not sponsored. But the sandwich turned out really good, you guys. It was like a grilled cheese with some mushrooms, and this is the before. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like after. And that is the after. I got my candle going. The house, the floor is so clean. Everything is sanitized. I just love a clean house. It took me about 4 hours to clean. All right, friends, I'm done. It took me a little over 3 hours to do all of this. There's so much more I need to do, but this is all I can do for today. Thank you, friends, so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. And you can watch my other clean with me right here.